So it's just a short video on how I use vices and parallels in Fusion 360. So here's the part we want to manufacture. See, it's a block with a contour milled around the outside and some holes. We want these holes to go all the way through. We want to clear the bottom of a component. So let's start by first importing the vice. Right click on the NC Vice modified here in the project folder and click Insert into Current Design. Just click OK and let's break the link. So now you've got the vice in there. It's not perfect, the orientation's out. So just click the top view and now let's rotate the vice. So there you go, the vice is rotated now. The component we want to manufacture is not in the right place yet, but we'll sort that out. So let's first move this vice jaw out of the way, the moving vice jaw out of the way. So go into the vice, moving jaw, and select move copy. So that's out of the way now. Click OK. We want to import some parallels now, so we can set the component on parallels in the vice. So I've got some thin parallels that I modelled up earlier. So right click, insert into current design. Click OK. So obviously everything's in the wrong place at the moment. So let's start by first moving that parallel so it's in the right position, which is going to be against this this vice face here, this vice jaw face. So go to joint, select the first snap point. So if you hover over the face that you want to the joint on and get close to the corner, it'll snap to it. So select that back corner there. Now select the vice jaw as a second snap. So that's a bit better. Click OK. Let's break the link. Capture position. There you go. So we also want a parallel, in this case, on the moving jaw as well. So let's do that now. Select the parallel. Right click, move copy. Create a copy. We want point to point. So we want this point here. Move it out of the way a bit, there you go. We want that point there. And the target point is going to be this corner here. Let's move the whole thing now. Create copy, there you go. So if you do make that mistake, just click create copy through, click OK, you'll be fine. So there you go, we've got parallel on both the moving jaw now and on the static jaw, the fixed jaw. The trouble with this one here on the moving jaw is because we've just done a point-to-point move, if we move the vice jaw, the parallel is just going to stay where it is. So for instance, if I go move copy on the vice jaw, move in the jaw, do a free move, you see the parallel is just staying where it is. Obviously that's no good. So let's fix that with a joint. Let's move that out of the way a little bit more. And we'll create a joint. So we're on our back face there. And the second snap point, we're on this back face here. Click OK. So now when we move the moving jaw, right click move, you see the parallel moves with the jaw, which is what we want. So we still need to fix this component because it's at the back, it's not in the right place at the moment. So again, we'll create a joint. And we want this back face, this underneath part of the component on this face. That point there. And our second point, we want on top of the parallel. There. So again now, next we want to move this jaw all the way up to the component. So what you need to do, you need to move this corner here, the top of the parallel, back part of the top of the parallel, this point here, we want to move that against the component. So let's do a move. So just use a parallel, do a move, point to point, the origin point is going to be this corner here. That's going to move to this point here. Click OK. So there you have it. But you can see where we're going to machine this contour, it's going to collide with the vice jaws. Let's click off those joints so we can see a bit clearer. You see there's a bit of a step there. So unless you use a tool diameter that's smaller than this gap, it's going to collide. Obviously that's not going to be ideal. So let's change height of those parallels. So when I create the parallels, I actually use parameters. So let's change the height in the parameter. So let's change that to 40mm. And now we're done. So that's the basic part of it done. So what I think I'll do a separate video, part 2, and I'll show how we can use this in the actual cam simulations. So thanks for watching, and look out for that second part of this video.